Hello everybody, look how beautiful day today. Now, I was planting this, the parsley and the cilantro a month ago, and look how beautiful it look. Look at the cilantro. The cilantro is so big. And now today I want to show my tomato transplant. And the tomato, I was using my seeds too. And look at this. Now, we got it right over here, the plant, the tomato. Look, this I planted by myself. And now I got this dirt over here. And what I gotta do, I gotta put a little water. Oh, hey, look at that. Rain. Look at like a lot of rain. Look at that. Okay, a little bit more. That's all. And now we give a nice mix. This dirt, it's the same I was using. I got in a bag. Okay. It's a nice mix. Okay. And this we do like that. I think at the end of the May, we put on the garden. Okay, look. It's like this. This is a cherry tomato. And now we take one, but the best thing to do like this. Okay? And you can take each one. Okay, you gotta keep a little dirt together. And you put it right over here, put it with a finger, and you put it right inside. After you pack really good, is that nice? Okay, and we put it right over here, and you put it more. Okay. And we take another plant over here, and we put inside. And more dirt. Okay. Look how beautiful this tomato. Really, really nice. It was over there. I forgot to pick it up. See this?
It's like a pencil.
Okay, now another thing, when I planted the tomato, you see, I pick up this. I use all the time. You make a hole and you put inside. Now we take one tomato, one plant. Okay, you see this? You go and look at that. How beautiful. Huh? It's more fast. I do this all the time with this little thing. Now, over here, I got a deer. He come over here and he started to eat my stuff. But look what I buy. This. This is the sprinkler. One of the deer, this, he catch the deer at the side, and the water go on, and go. And the deer, oh, you want to turn on? Yeah? Yeah, go ahead, go. Go over there, and you see what happened. Yeah, look at this. Hey, hey, hey.
It helps water the plants too.
Yeah, everything. When the deer come, this over here, look at that. Hey, who? Oh. The daytime, see you one, look, you got over here, it's the shut off. And you turn off, and look, no more.
So it's a solar panel.
You got a switch over here, you turn, but see you turn the switch on, and now look. See how beautiful? Okay, now I turn off. I gotta finish my tomato over here. Now, this is it for today. After I gotta do the pepper, everything. Thank you, and we see you next time when we got a plant on the ground.